In front of me is Lenovo P11 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to a printer. First of all, go into Settings. In them you need to choose Connected Devices and select Connection Preferences. After that, click on Printing section. Now you can choose Default Print Service right away and click on this switcher if it's not already on. Then wait for your device to connect. If you want to use different print service though, you need to disable this one. Go back and tap on Add Service instead. Now download the best one for you, in my case HP one. And when it's ready, go back. Then click on your new service and wait again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!